In this video, I'm going to discuss and solve powers of trigonometric functions. Case 1. In case 1, for instance, we have the integration of sine sine raised to mu du, or integration of cosine raised to m u du, where m is a positive, this exponent is a positive odd integers. So let me give you examples. What is the integration of sine 3 for w dw? Notice that our m here, is odd. Alright, now what I'm going to do is to use some identities of trigonometric identities. So what I'm going to do now is to break down this sine raised to 3 for w. I will break this down, so, or separate this into two, but actually I break this down, so this becomes, let me change the color. This is 2, wait, this is 2, and for w dw. So what I'm going to do now is to use the Pythagorean identity. Recall that if we have sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is always equal to 1. So now we can derive this sine squared for w. Can derive this. Can derive this as, let's say, sine squared for w plus cosine squared for w is equal to 1. So I just isolate sine for w, 1 minus cosine squared for w. So now I can substitute this into this. So this becomes 1 minus cosine squared for w times sine for w dw. Just erase this. Now what I'm going to do is to assume that this cosine for w is equal to u. Cosine for w, and solve for du. Our du here is negative 4 sine for w dw. So our dw is just du over negative 4 sine for w. So now I can rewrite this. Wait. So now I can rewrite this as integration of 1 minus u squared sine for w dw. Since that our dw is just equal to du over negative 4 sine for w, so what I'm going to do is to substitute this into this one. Okay, wait. So again, so so now what I'm going to do is to substitute 1 minus u squared sine for w. W is just du over negative 4 sine for w. So we can cancel this out. So this negative 1/4, I just um, put it outside, becomes 1/4, and 1 minus e squared du. So what is the integration of this one? It's just u and u cubed over 3 plus c. Distribute negative 1/4. This is equal to negative 1/4 u minus plus, this is plus 1/4 times 1/3 u cubed plus c. So our final answer is negative 1/4 u plus 1/12 u cubed plus c. This is not yet our final answer, since we assume that our u is cosine for w. So our final answer is just negative 1/4 cosine for w plus 1/12 cosine cube for w plus c. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching. This is JP Jimenez.